Welcome to LEMERIX. In this video, we're going to learn the smartest way to use AI so you can study faster, remember more, and save hours every single day. Step 1. Use AI to turn your long notes into clean, easy-to-understand summaries. Most students waste hours reading entire chapters, but with AI, you don't have to. Just copy your textbook paragraph, your class notes, or even text from a PDF, and paste it into an AI tool like ChatGPT, Notion AI, or Google Gemini. Then tell the AI, summarize this in simple language. Or, give me short bullet points. Or, explain this chapter in one page. In just a few seconds, the AI removes all the unnecessary parts and gives you a clear, simple version that you can revise much faster. This single step can save you 1 to 2 hours every day. Step 2. Convert your summaries into flashcards using AI. Flashcards are one of the fastest ways to revise because they force your brain to recall information instead of just reading it. Once the AI gives you a summary, simply copy that summary and tell the AI, turn this into flashcards with questions and answers. Or, make 20 flashcards from this chapter. In a few seconds, the AI will prepare clear, structured flashcards that you can use for quick revision. You can save these flashcards, print them, or even convert them into a quiz. This makes studying more active, helps you remember faster, and is especially useful before exams when you need fast revision. Instead of reading the whole chapter again, you can revise everything in a few minutes using AI-generated flashcards. Step 3. Use AI to simplify difficult topics. Sometimes you read a chapter, and it still doesn't make sense. Instead of wasting hours, you can make the AI explain the same topic in a much simpler way. Just copy the confusing paragraph or the concept you don't understand, and tell the AI, explain this like I'm 12 years old. Or, explain this in the simplest way possible. Or, break this into very easy steps. AI will rewrite the same concept in simple language, remove all the complicated words, and break it down into small, clear explanations. This helps you understand even the toughest chapters in minutes. No confusion, no stress, just a clean, simple explanation you can remember easily. Step 4. Use AI to generate practice questions. Most students only read the chapter, but they never test themselves. And testing yourself is the fastest way to understand how much you actually remember. After you get summaries or simple explanations from the AI, just tell it, create practice questions from this chapter. Or, give me 10 questions and answers. Or, make questions from easy to difficult. In a few seconds, AI will prepare a set of questions based on your topic. Multiple choice questions, short answers, long answers, whatever you want. This helps you check your understanding, find your weak areas, and prepare like a topper. Instead of waiting for teachers to give practice questions, AI can generate unlimited questions for you instantly. Step 5. Use AI to create mock tests. This is one of the most powerful ways to prepare for exams because it shows you exactly where you stand. After generating practice questions, simply tell the AI, create a mock test from this chapter. Or, make a test with 20 questions and give the answers at the end. Or, test me on this topic, one question at a time. The AI will create a full test based on the chapter, complete with multiple choice questions, short answers, or long answer questions. You can attempt the test, check your score, and instantly understand which topics you need to revise again. This method helps you prepare faster, improves your memory, and boosts your confidence before exams. Instead of searching for sample papers everywhere, you can make unlimited mock tests using AI in seconds. Step 6. Use AI to create your study timetable. Most students waste time thinking about how to start studying, what to study first, and how many hours to give each subject. AI can solve all of this instantly. Just tell the AI, make a study timetable for 7 days based on my syllabus. Or, create a study plan for my exam date. Or, divide this chapter into daily tasks for me. The AI will create a personalized study schedule based on your goals, subjects, and available time. It can even break your study into daily targets, revision days, test days, and short breaks. This makes your study routine organized and stress-free, so you can focus on learning instead of planning. With AI, you always know what to study next, and you never waste time deciding where to begin. And that's how you can use AI to study faster, remember more, and save hours every single day. If you found this helpful, make sure you follow LEMERIX for more AI tools, study hacks, and smarter learning tips. See you in the next video.